Have you ever watched a classroom tutorial or read a suggestion that sounded like it was a really good idea but just wasn't going to fit your theme or wasn't going to fit with the age group of students that you have? There are lots of good ways that you can modify themes to fit any classroom, so you should never be discouraged. Here are a few that we have used that you might recognize. Like my ladybug. Okay. Here we have our little ladybug. Woo! With the equations. You may see them here. We've got 1 plus 1, here is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, and down here is 1 plus 0. Ooh, down here where you can't see. Down here is 1 plus 0. Each one has a hole punched out so that the student can say, I want to figure out what 1 plus 1 is, put their pencil through the hole that's been punched out, turn it around to the back, and see that the answer is 2. Now, if your students are just too old for cute little ladybugs adding numbers, you might want to, let's say for example, if we've chosen the theme of vampires for Halloween or something, you can use something like this. Her name is Elvira. She's not out of my own brain. We do have helps for drawing her, so you don't actually have to just be an amazing artist to do that. But if you have a little bit of an older set of students, you know, working on long division, or they just like things a little bit on the spookier side, you can do the same thing here. Write your equations along the sides with holes punched next to them and then the answers on the back. Another option is to modify our Cinderella Match Time Center. You saw this in our Cinderella video. It talked about how you can, for younger students who are just beginning to learn telling time, they have midnight versus not midnight. Again, if you have young students and we're just trying to get the basics of time figured out, and you, let's say again, wanting to use the vampire theme for that, yay Halloween, yay Twilight, you can set it up to be daytime and nighttime. So you would have clocks that would have times like noon, which of course would be daytime, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, daytime, 4 in the morning, nighttime, and just set it up that way.